Hello students, Ms. Slyman here with example 4. So example 4 says, given that the 7th term is 23 and the 15th term is 47, find the first 3 terms of the sequence and, what is that? Oh, find the first 3 terms of the sequence. All right, so let's do a little bit of brainstorming and thinking about this. Actually, maybe I should move that up a bit. So I've got that the 7th term is 23, the 15th term is 47. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. The 7th term is 23. 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, and it barely fits 15. Well, I'm told, oh, I'm not told. I should have told you that this is an arithmetic sequence. Because it's really important that we know that. But since this is our arithmetic sequence notes, it's an arithmetic sequence. So I don't know what U1 is, but my formula says that the nth term is the first term plus n minus 1 times d. So we don't know what the first term is, but we do know that this is the 7th place. So the 7th place, that value is 23. We don't know U1, but we do know that's the 7th term, so 7 is my n, and we don't know the common difference. But this gives us 23 equals U1 plus 6d. I can do the same thing for 47. 47 is my 15th term, so 47 is the first term, which I don't know. That's the 15th term, so 15 minus 1. So 47 equals U1 plus 14d. Well, if I rewrite these two equations, and I wish that I had been writing smaller, but if I rewrite these two equations, give myself some space, and I'll switch colors here. So all I'm doing is putting the equal sign. So I just switched sides. I'm going to do the same thing over here. U1 plus 6d is 23. And look at that perfect polysimult mode. I noticed on your test about half of you are using polysimult all the time. The other half is not, and this is a huge tool for us. So apps, polysimult, press any key, simultaneous equations, 2 equations, 2 unknowns. All right, so I've got 1, 14, 47. 1, enter, 14, 47, 1, 6, 23. Don't forget to push enter. And then solve. X is 5, x sub 1 is 5, x sub 2 is 3, but I wasn't using x and d. I was using U1, sorry, I wasn't using x1, x2. I was using U1 and d. Well, U1 must be 5. Every time I'm adding 3, so that tells me my first term is 5, and then add 3 and get 8, add 3 and get 11. If I want to keep checking, 14, 17, 20, 23. So it looks like I'm on the right track. 5, 8, 11 are the first 3 terms of this sequence.